So let's continue with the flight preparation, and to terminate the FMC, what we go to the init page, index takeoff. Trim was 4.75, are using runway 16 left. V1 136, V2 V rotate 137, V2 143. Go to the next page, and finally we set the transponder TA array, and we set the radios. So for the radios we need the Ostia VOR, didn't note it. Go back to Littlenavmap, and we check off VOR information. VOR DME Ostia, Oscar Sierra Tango 114.9. So Ostia is 114.9er. And a second VOR we will have Voghera 115.5. Put that in the standby. In nav2 115.5 in the active, and the last will be Malpensa 11335. 11335 set. So Ostia is tuned, not yet Voghera. So review the departure. Climb on runway heading 159. We climb to 6,000 feet. Flight director on. Heading select. But after reaching 500 feet, we turn left heading 279, and we go to the Ostia 267 course. To Ostia. We see the DME to Ostia 8.9 nautical mile. At Ostia we do a right turn 311, and we intercept the medal Ostia 288 to medal at 41 nautical miles. And that's the end of the sit. Good. Let's start now the APU. Fuel pumps on, and APU to the on position. The low oil pressure lights illuminates. We go to the start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release, and EGT is increasing. Electric hydraulic pumps are now set to on. Engine bleeder to off. Anti-collision lights to on, and seatbelt signs to on as well. APU lights illuminate. Check the current. We have correct frequency. 400 or 397, 387 or 0 ampere, as we have not yet started the APU gen. We'll wait 1 minute for to warm the CPU, the APU, and then we engage APU Gen 2.1. Now Gen on Gen 2. Check the current 66 ampere delivered by the APU. Packs are on and APU bleeder can come on. Cabin temperature is 12 degrees, so passengers are freezing. Wing light can come on.
We'll be taking off in just a few minutes. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for departure.
And we are now ready for the pushback.
Okay, the cabin is secured. Have a good flight.
For the pushback,
ground to cockpit, please show me where you want to go.
I think we are going facing nose right.
Ground to cockpit, tow is driving up.
Auto brakes rejected takeoff, flaps 5. QNH, we set it to 1025 and 20 feet airport elevation seems correct, is 13. Let's review the taxi.
Okay, all doors and hatches are closed, ready to connect.
So we've used the NG taxiway, then right on Delta, and then left on Charlie. All the way till the end.
So connected and bypass pin inserted. Release parking brake.
Parking brake is released and we're starting the pushback.
Starting pushback, and you may start engines.
Roger that. So packs are off, set to the off position. Duct pressure increased to 35 and we'll start engine number 2. EGT lights illuminates, fuel flow lights illuminates, and one increasing, 0.2, 0.4, 0.7, 1 we check N2 rotation, 23 fuel run. EGT increases and N1 increases. EGT decreasing now, start valve closed, N1 stable, good start on engine number 2, starting engine number 1. Engine start selected to the ground position, EGT lights illuminate, fuel flow lights illuminate. N1 increasing, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1, N2% 24.
Operation complete. Set parking brake.
We set the parking brake.
Disconnecting tow. Stand by.
EGT is increasing and N1 is increasing. N1 stable, start valve closed. We wait for the engine to run for 1 minute before engaging the gen. On the engine, we can check the frequency 38397 for the engine, amperage 0.
Stow is disconnected and bypass pin has been removed. Hand signal will be on the left. We'll see you next time. Have a safe flight.
Okay, thank you, sir. And when the pushback truck is leaving, we can stop the stream here for the next part in a few minutes.